assessing what happened in the second period. It was probably a better second territorially for the Leafs than it was on Saturday night, but with worse results.
Yeah, you look at the numbers from Saturday, they were in favor of Tampa, but not the score for today. That for Knies.
Curls, and now cycles it down for Tavares. Also looking for his first shot on goal in this game. Marner's got a pair. He turns away from goal. In front, TJ Brodie, up close, and Tavares can't backhand it home. Tied up in front of this. A close call for John Tavares.
And there's a shift for Matthew Knies. You want to stay in the lineup. You got Michael Bunting coming back off a suspension. You got decisions for the coach to make if you lose this game. And there's what Kevin was talking about, that protection in the corner. That was a big play.
Here comes Nylander with a block here. Comes across. Matthews scores. And they get one back. It's 4-2 with just over 10 minutes to go.
And right on cue, following up a good offensive zone shift. That's what you have to do, is bring them on top of each other. The nice effort in the corner with Tavares got them back on their heels. The Lightning then get caught on a little bit of a misread in the middle of the ice, and that seam pass opened right up, and there's one for Matthews. Nylander sells shot with the backhand pass. Marner to Matthews, quick release, and up and over the blocker. Lots of time left in the game, and the focus now, just keep that intensity, and there's a great example of following up a good offensive zone shift with another one that ends up in the back of the net.
Well, Matthews now has points in 4, his second of the series. Marner and Nylander give assists. So Marner ties Leon Draisaitl for the playoff scoring lead. And here's Morgan Rielly to work. Leafs can have an on-man rush. Back to Nylander. Who's in front? And here's Cook. Tied up there by Killorn. Great stick by Alex Killorn. Back to the line. Leafs pushing the pace. Matthews lost the handle, but gets it back from Rielly. Austin Matthews knocked out in front by Hedman. And Hedman clears it away goes Hagel. Shen getting back in a hurry as it comes across for Killorn. And Alex Kerfoot knocked it off the stick to Hagel.
Amazing how the building changes pretty quickly, doesn't it? A 2-on-1 looked like an opportunity to make it a 1-goal game, and that's the beauty. You just got to keep competing. You know, John Cooper will begin his team. Get a couple of offensive zone shifts to turn this tie back around.
Icing called against Toronto, but definitely some jump in the step of the Leafs after the Matthews goal at 9:44.
Well, and Morgan Rielly, as he's done so well, he backs the D off. There's the deflection. Oh, good reaction save as the stick was in the 5-hole. And then the battle between Yarncroke and Killorn fighting for that rebound to try to get it out of harm's way. And Killorn able to keep him to the outside.
11 playoff games between these two teams over the last 2 years, and Matthews has points in 10 of their 11. Mark Giordano hands it off, and here comes Kerfoot in with O'Reilly across Hall. Giordano shooting, and that rebound went past O'Reilly, and well, we got a penalty, and it's going to be Bogosian on Kerfoot, and a little more gas on the Leaf fire.
Yeah, just keep pressing, get bodies to the front. Cole's battling with Achari, no call there, but in the other one, it's Bogosian who goes.
The Leafs down by 2.
Well, pick your penalty here. Yep. You had Cole in front with Achari, and then Bogosian takes down Kerfoot, and there's where the call was made. So, man, just the heat of this game changes dramatically, and you can sense the home crowd understanding how important this penalty kill is for the Tampa Bay Lightning.
Third power play of the night for Toronto. 0 for 2 as Tavares digs in on the draw. And the puck loose. Marner spun down, and Alex Killorn gets on it along with Belmar. And a penalty kill roll. It's a Belmar. Samsonov has to make a big save on a short-handed chance.
Boy, you sense the urgency, don't you? Watch this face-off, just how important it is for somebody to come out of the pile. 4 bodies in there, and it's Belmar who jumps across. And Killorn has Matthews kind of extended, and then as Riley drives down that outlet pass, nice save by Samsonov to settle things down and get the face-off.
Tavares winning that draw. The Leafs get pointed in the right direction. Give back to Marner. And Marner with speed into the zone. In deep. And around it comes to the captain. He's back by Cole. Now back on the stick of Marner. Watched by Hagel and Cole. And Hagel disrupted that. And lead feed Samsonov. Has to come out to clear away from Cirelli. Leafs will try and counter punch, but that pass not clean onto the stick of Morgan Riley. Marner back to Matthews into his skates. Doesn't work. Leafs have not looked dangerous in the first minute.
The entry again, a bit of an issue here as Captain's been able to stop them at the line and not allow the easy setup.
In here, comes back. Giordano to Nylander. In for a score! Auston Matthews! It's a one-goal game!
And that time the entry wasn't perfect, but the end result forcing the puck to the front of the net because Matthews has inside position. You're going to stand up at the line, that exposes the front of the net. Look at all the blue sweaters up top. Cole, the defenseman, doesn't realize that Matthews is coming from behind. So he's up too high. Matthews gets lost behind, and then how about this timing and hand-eye? About 2.5 feet in the air, just a little tip off of a hard shot to the net. And man, this building's different. Maple Leaf Square erupts. We got ourselves a one-goal game.
And again, the extra game between games 4 and 5. And they can probably double shift Marner and Matthews the rest of the way here with an extra day of recovery time. Still over 7 minutes to go. Back at the line, and Lightning will regroup here. Auston Matthews from Nylander and Giordano, now with 3 in the series. Here's Hedman. Big pass to Point. Brayden Point off the ball from Samsonov. Gets it back. Hedman shooting. And that deflects wide. Kucherov behind the net. Up top, Radish. Hedman for Kucherov. A response shift by the top line of the Lightning here with momentum. Turning into the Leafs' favor, but now out at center. Lafferty turns back. Leafs starting a change here. As McCabe idles, and here comes Nylander over the boards. Matthews already out with Järnkrok. Nylander unable to take that pass, and he'll try and get back on it. Falls in the Leaf zone. Hagel worked over by Giordano. Matthews in to help out. He came away with it. 6 minutes left, third period. And the Lightning now clinging to a one-goal lead. Mark Giordano with Kerfoot in flight. He'll play it in and give chase against Hedman. Following up O'Reilly. Played past him, and Colton's out. Stopped up and center by Riley, and now gets it deep. With Shen along the end boards. Comes off the board, but has to be turned back by Paul. Now O'Reilly over the left side. Morgan Riley on the move deep in the Lightning zone. Around for O'Reilly. Kerfoot and Achari out. Here's a chance, and O'Reilly shot stuffed. Kerfoot follows. Jake McCabe across, and that shot is blocked. And Paul will send it to the line, not out. Kept in by McCabe. And now Kerfoot's able to get it out. Both teams will start changing.
You just see what the pressure does. Just a little bit of panic when unable to get the puck out, giving the second chance for the offense. For John Cooper, he needs to settle down, shift gear, and make some plays under pressure to try to turn the tide back the other way.
minutes now as Nyes takes the pass. Here comes the kid, working in, puts on the brakes and turns it back. For Giordano. Matthews on it now. Matthews with Nyes and Nylander. Sharp angle. Knocks the pass off Vasilevsky, who covers up.
Well, William Nylander getting involved offensively, made the play on the Matthews goal. Here's another tough angle shot. Tried to go up and over the shoulder, off the mask, and down.
In the good books of head coach Sheldon Keefe in each of the first 4 games in this series. 3 goals now, 1 in game 3 and a couple here tonight. Good for 7 points so far against Tampa. He said the last month of the regular season was the best he felt all year long. He has carried that into this first round clash and a couple of goals in the third. And Toronto now within a goal, Chris.
Third 2-goal playoff game for Auston Matthews, who has never had a postseason hat trick. The goals come 2 minutes, 45 seconds apart. Tavares wins the draw. O'Reilly out there along with him, and Marner. It's Morgan Riley. Shoots! The game is tied!
We've seen face-offs just be so critical throughout this series. It won the game in game 3 off the stick of Morgan Riley. How about Ryan O'Reilly? This time not winning it, but winning the tie and helping Tavares, and then through the traffic. Tavares in front takes the eyes of Vasilevsky away. Good play by Marner, lifting the stick of Kucherov, sliding to his right. Marner puts it back, and I don't know, maybe Tavares got a little piece. Who cares? A face-off win ties this game with a shot through with traffic in front.
And he couldn't get the shot away. Penalty coming up against Sergachev. Nylander trying to maintain possession, but now the Leafs get a power play in overtime and a chance to win it.
And again, it's face-offs. I mean, they've just played such a huge role in this series already. Both these two were 4 and 7. It's Nylander with the aggressive move, and there's the dive. You know, Sergachev able to get the puck at one point, but watch him take the legs out, and there's where the arm goes up as Nylander jumped on that, jumped to the hole, and that's a long way to go for the D-man on that forward side, and forced to dive and take the penalty.
Leafs 1 for 3 on the power play tonight. The Matthews goal made it 4-3 with the man advantage. And from the face-off, Tavares able to control. It's Marner to the net. That went wide. Matthews after it. It was knocked away from him by Tavares, but they'll reorganize here with Marner.